And it's honestly not that hard. Like these are super simple things. Like actually, it's just a mental thing, honestly. And maybe
Yeah.
there's a little bit of resources, but quite honestly,
There's familiarity and there's the blocker there, right? But I do agree with you that
yeah,
the hard part is literally just taking the step and realizing that like
it's a fundamental shift to where the value of your company is,
right,
right?
exactly. Yeah.
That's it.
You
It's just
cannot continue to do status quo because you've done this for 5, 10, 20, 30 years. There is a shift. You either zig with everything else or you zag, but you zag because you know that you're going to do something better than where everyone else is going. And if you don't do it that way, you're gonna get left behind.
yeah. Yeah, I mean, I think it's gonna be a really interesting year. I think that the beat down on the market's gonna continue because I think it is extraordinarily difficult to move a battleship as big as like a Salesforce or a HubSpot, where it actually can convince the market that it can sustain and retain its revenue. I think everybody else that might have higher value in knowledge, right? That aren't deep in like, the Salesforce and HubSpot are very wide and thin. They're not deep. But anybody else who has actually software that goes deep and actually penetrates through kind of what I would call the critical knowledge of and maintains that. You just have to start running in the right direction. You're going to make mistakes. You're going to fall down. You're going to have some hiccups, but you're going to be in the right, you know, in 12 to 18 months, and you're going to be able to transition much better than most. And that's kind of what we go around and preach.
Yeah. Solve the problems your customers have right now with your interface, right? Or your product. Like
Yeah,
find where they're having friction and say, can I solve this with AI? Get with your top customers to do that.
100%. Yeah,
And you're going, like you said, you're going to dominate because the players that are in your market taking market share right now are not because they have a better product than you. They found something that lags behind or is manual on their side, and they said we can have our system do that for you better, and this is how we do it.
yeah.
And that's it.
Yeah, your two most valuable assets in your software business moving forward is going to be the vibe coder and the API guy or girl. That's it. Period. Build out your API. That's your gate. That's your gate. That's what people are paying. That's your ticket.
Yeah, that's your toll.
That's your POS, right? They're just coming through. Make it as powerful and open as possible. Make it AI friendly. Make sure it's open API. Talk about MCPs and things like that. Adopt all the new standards, and then have somebody go out with a product manager mindset, with a marketing manager mindset, meet with your customers, ask them what they want, vibe code it, bring it back to them, make iterations, then bring it back to your dev team and harden it.
Yep.
It's not that difficult. It's a
Rinse and
different way of
repeat.
thinking, but
Yeah.
you'll be able to bring so much value and so much modernization to your customers.
Yeah.
Even if your database is DB2 or AS400, and even if you're still running the backend in COBOL or Visual Basic, whatever's behind the curtain, just don't talk about.
Yeah.
Whatever's in front of that API is the future.